go ahead and start. I'm Dina, but I'm going to show you this. It's very fun. We used to do this when I was in college. Make a lava lamp. So all it is, we used to eat in the the cafeteria, and they had fountain drinks, and you could have as much as you want. And we used Mountain Dew. Probably something else would work, but this is what we used, so I stuck with what I know. And these are just raisins, just cheap raisins from Aldi. So I'm going to show you how to make a lava lamp. And I tried it last night and it does work. I didn't know if it would make a difference if it's from a fountain or not, but put in some Mountain Dew. It probably works with a different drink, but this is what I used, and so we'll stick with what we know. And then take some raisins and drop them in, and they fall down to the bottom. And I'm going to bring this closer now. So what happens is the wrinkles catch the bubbles and the raisins come up to the top, but then when they reach the top, the bubbles pop and they fall down to the bottom. So it becomes this Mountain Dew raisin lava lamp. And it goes for a long time. So you can see it is going up and down. So it's really just those two things. And again, you could probably do it with something else, but you could experiment with, Sprite or 7-Up, something clear, or ginger ale. You could see what happened if you put, let's see, it's yellow. So if you put some blue food coloring in, it would turn green. And if you put in some red food coloring, it turn orange. So you could play with color also. I'll let you know how long this lasts. But yeah, if you have any other things that you think would be fun to see on a video, let me know. And of course, drawing or making things. Happy lava lamp.